Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
I swear accounting software pricing feels like ordering coffee lately. You walk in expecting a small latte and suddenly you're asked if you want oat milk, almond milk, priority support, advanced reporting foam, and a monthly subscription just to hold the cup. So let's cut through that nonsense and start with pricing, because this is where the difference between these two tools immediately jumps out. KMyMoney is completely free. Not free for 30 days, not free until you hit some invisible limit, and not free unless you upgrade later. It is genuinely open source software with no licensing cost, no subscriptions, and no upsells waiting around the corner. You download it, install it on your system, and you can use every core feature without paying a single cent. That alone makes KMyMoney incredibly appealing for individuals, freelancers, or small businesses that want full control over their finances without recurring costs slowly draining their cash flow. AME Software takes the opposite approach. Instead of a single bundled price, AME uses a modular pay for what you need pricing structure. Core accounting components like the general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, and reporting tools are purchased separately. For example, the general ledger module is priced around $400. Payroll with direct deposit is roughly $500. Accounts payable is around $200, and additional services like electronic filing, network access, or 1099 reporting are priced individually. This means AME software can become expensive upfront, but businesses only pay for the exact tools they need rather than features they'll never touch. Now let's talk about what KMyMoney actually does, because free doesn't mean basic here. KMyMoney is a powerful personal and small business finance manager designed for accuracy, transparency, and long-term financial tracking. It supports double entry accounting, multiple accounts, scheduled transactions, and detailed categorization that allows users to track income and expenses with precision. You can manage checking accounts, savings, credit cards, loans, investments, and even foreign currencies, all within a single file. KMyMoney also excels at budgeting and forecasting. Users can create detailed budgets, compare planned versus actual spending, and identify problem areas before they turn into financial disasters. Investment tracking includes support for stocks, funds, and price updates, making it surprisingly capable for users who want both day-to-day money management and long-term financial oversight. Reports are highly customizable, allowing users to generate income statements, balance sheets, cash flow summaries, and category breakdowns that actually make sense instead of overwhelming you with noise. Of course, no software is perfect. KMyMoney's biggest strength, control and flexibility, can also be its biggest downside. The interface is functional rather than flashy, and beginners may face a learning curve if they're new to accounting concepts. There's no built-in payroll processing, no automated bank feeds out of the box, and no native cloud collaboration unless you manually manage file syncing. Support is community-driven rather than live chat or phone-based, which means help is available, but not instant. Still, if you value ownership, transparency, and zero ongoing costs, KMyMoney delivers serious capability without asking for your credit card or your patience with subscriptions. Now let's slow things down and really unpack AME software, because this is a system that rewards understanding before commitment. AME software is built for businesses that want accounting to behave like a traditional accounting department rather than a modern app guessing what you meant to do. Everything is explicit, intentional, and structured, which is exactly why many accountants and long-established businesses gravitate toward it. AME software's general ledger is the core of the system and is designed to mirror formal accounting standards. You get full control over your chart of accounts, journal entries, posting periods and financial statements, balance sheets, profit and loss reports, and detailed transaction histories are generated with consistency and precision, making AME suitable for businesses that need clean records for audits, lenders, or internal controls. Nothing is hidden behind automation rules, and nothing happens without the user explicitly approving it. Accounts receivable in AME allows businesses to issue invoices, track customer balances, manage aging reports, and apply payments with clarity. The system is particularly strong for businesses that deal with recurring customers, partial payments, or strict invoice tracking. Accounts payable works in a similar fashion, focusing on vendor management, bill entry, payment scheduling, and expense tracking without trying to oversimplify the process. This makes it easier to understand exactly where money is going, even if it takes more manual effort than cloud-first tools. Payroll is where AME software really stands out for US-based businesses. The payroll module includes employee payroll processing, direct deposit, and tax calculations, helping businesses stay compliant without outsourcing payroll to a third-party service. Additional services such as electronic filing for W-2s, 1099s, and various state and federal forms can be added as needed. This makes AME appealing to companies that want payroll and accounting tightly integrated rather than split across multiple platforms. Another notable strength of AME software is its modular pricing model. Businesses are not forced into a single bundled subscription. Instead, they purchase only the modules they actually need, whether that's payroll, accounts payable, reporting, or electronic filing. This approach can save money in the long run for businesses with very specific requirements, but it also means higher upfront costs and careful planning to avoid buying unnecessary components. That said, AME software does come with limitations. The interface is functional but dated, and users accustomed to modern cloud software may find it visually uninspiring. There is little in the way of automation, predictive insights, or real-time bank feeds, which means more manual work. Setup can take time, and users without accounting experience may find the learning curve steep. AME is not designed to hold your hand. It expects you to understand accounting fundamentals. When it comes to public reviews, neither KMyMoney nor AME software currently has widely established ratings on Trustpilot or Capterra. This does not automatically indicate poor quality, but it does mean potential users should rely on official documentation, demos, and direct evaluation rather than star ratings. As always, ratings can change over time, and availability varies by region, so checking the latest sources is recommended before making a decision. The final takeaway is clear. KMyMoney is ideal for individuals or small teams who want full financial control, zero cost, and long-term transparency without subscriptions. AME software is better suited for businesses that value structure, payroll integration, and traditional accounting workflows, even if that means higher upfront costs and less automation. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review their modules and capabilities in detail, and decide which one truly fits the way you manage your finances. If this comparison helped you avoid a bad software choice or clarified what you actually need, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive accounting comparison.